What's up guys, CDB, and today we will see another type of railroad switch, and this is a industrial railroad switch. This type of railroad switch may be found in industrial places such as shipyards, steel mills, ports, oil refineries, etc. This railroad switch is consisted from weight, which is underneath this lid, drawbar, which is underneath this lid in the middle of the tracks. These are shifting rails. And I'm gonna open it, and this is it, how it's combined. We'll go up front. Now this is a railroad frog, which is dividing one track into two tracks. Well, that's it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Formerly, go to EDB Railroader YouTube channel.